Hello everyone, this is Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 3, जो कि एक poem है and its name is Good Timber. Let's start the discussion of book exercise by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. So first question is, what is significance of the title of the poem Good Timber? Answer: Good timber is actually a metaphor used by the poet for strong people. Trees grow into strong-rooted timber by going through different climates and winning their share of sun and rain. Same is the case with strong, brave men. They have to go through hurdles and troubles of life to get to know their true potential. Second question, what is good timber? How does a tree grow into good timber? Answer: Good timber has two meanings. One is of personal qualities and characteristics, and the other is of tree or timber wood. A tree grows into good timber by struggling to get its share of rain, sun, heat, and snow. It has to fight through dense forest growth and compete with other trees to get its share of necessities in order to become a good timber. Thank you. Third question. What, according to Douglas Malloch, is the fate of those people who do not work hard in life? Answer: According to Douglas Malloch, the fate of those people who do not work hard in life is that they do not learn anything. They do not get the chance to shape themselves in a better way because they do not have to make any effort to achieve their goals. Such people born as an ordinary person and die as an ordinary person. Thank you. Fourth question. How can a person achieve his/her true potential in life? Illustrate it with examples from the poem Good Timber. Answer: A person can achieve his true potential in life by facing and tackling ups and downs of life. When he struggles and makes efforts to achieve his goals, he grooms himself to be a strong and brave person. Difficulties of life which are faced by an individual make a person achieve his true potential in life. Thank you. Fifth question. What is the central idea of the poem Good Timber? Answer: The central idea of the poem is to motivate the readers to struggle hard to achieve their rights. The poem describes that a person who faces hardships in life will always reach at a higher position. Those who don't work hard are not remembered by people as they live and die as an ordinary or an anonymous person. Hence, difficulties of life shape an individual into a better, mature, responsible, strong, brave, and a manly man. Thank you. Sixth question. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Good Timber? Answer: Rhyme scheme is the pattern in which the last words in lines of poetry rhyme. The rhyme scheme of the poem Good Timber is AA, BB, CC. Thank you. Seventh question. An extended metaphor is a poetic device in which two unlike things are compared in a series of lines of a poem. Give the example of extended metaphor from poem Good Timber. Answer: An extended metaphor is a poetic device in which two unlike things are compared in a series of lines of a poem. Whole poem is an example of extended metaphor, as throughout the poem, poet is comparing trees, the procedure they go through to become strong and their struggles, with men and their struggles. Thank you. Eighth question. What is alliteration? Give its examples from the poem Good Timber. Answer: In alliteration, words begin with the same sound are placed close together. Although alliteration often involves repetition of letters, most importantly, it is a repetition of sounds. Following are the examples of alliteration from the poem Good Timber: tutorial, sun and sky, manly man, broken branch. Thank you.